Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect KuCoin with your seed phrase. A seed phrase is a crucial element for managing your cryptocurrency assets, acting as a master key to your digital wallet. We will explore how KuCoin facilitates this connection through its integrated Web3 wallet, providing a secure environment for your funds. This process is essential for anyone looking to maintain control over their crypto while leveraging KuCoin's platform features. First, let's clarify what a seed phrase is. It's a sequence of 12 to 24 random words generated when you create a self-custody crypto wallet. This phrase is your ultimate backup, allowing you to restore access to your funds if you lose your device or forget your password. It is paramount to keep this phrase absolutely private and secure, as anyone with access to it can control your assets. KuCoin offers a dedicated Web3 wallet within its application, allowing you to manage assets with a seed phrase. You can either create a brand new wallet, generating a new seed phrase to back up, or import an existing wallet using its 12 or 24-word seed phrase. This integration provides a convenient way to interact with decentralized applications and manage your self-custody funds alongside your exchange account. To ensure the utmost security, always download the official KuCoin application and be wary of phishing attempts. When managing your Web3 wallet, remember that KuCoin does not store your seed phrase. It is entirely your responsibility. Back up your seed phrase physically, perhaps on paper, and store it in one or two secure, private locations. This diligent practice is the only way to truly protect your decentralized digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.